Welcome to the wonderful world of Waikato sheds, my friends. Today is an awesome day. We're seeing the first poles going in on a no bullshit pole barn. So special day for the company. We're expanding the wonderful world of Waikato sheds from the steel, which we love, into the timber as well. So we've got the crew here, and what we're doing is we're drilling out the holes to set all the posts in with the concrete in place. So it's very cool. At the moment, we're just going around making sure all the levels are right, getting it all specced up, because we're not just building any basic pole barns here. We want to build the best. We build the best steel sheds. We want to be building the best pole barns. How we're going to be doing that is we also make sure we're using the best timber. Come around here. We've got machine rounded posts. We don't want anything mismatched in that, so we've got all of these. So you've got the same diameter going across. So machine rounded, nice, smooth. Then we've got kiln dried timber as well. That's it, makes it easier on the builders, lighter to work with, but also straight and true. We don't want it soaking wet, so it's all going to pop any flashings or anything off. We want to be doing it. So we've got the crew doing here. We're going to cut to it. We've also had Roy and James been doing a great job with the site works. They've cut back all the bank. We've got the great footage of that. They've laid all the sand pad. So now going to be getting the posts in the ground. Then over the next week or so, build this whole structure and get it in place. It's going to be a beautiful consent-free shed. I use it as a garage, so it's going to be epic. So yeah, follow along and watch what we're doing. Roy, my man, we're here, the sun is shining. What are we up to?
Oh, we've got a pole shed going in, Jace. What we've got is we've got the builders have just marked out their profiles where the poles are. As you can see, I've got the auger set up on the digger, ready to go. So I'll be drilling a 600mm diameter hole.
Yep.
And we'll be going 1 metre to 1.2 metres deep for the bottom of our holes. So then the poles get dropped in with the blocks on the bottom.
Yep.
Then we put the concrete in, and then yeah, the builders come in and do their magic.
Awesome. All right, man. We'll look forward to watching it all unfold. We've got a GoPro attached to the end of the auger there, so that's it. We're stepping up our game. We know the fans love to see it all unfold, so yeah, let's watch it unfold and some magic happen with the diggers.